I wanted to get that cute little thing you were doing.
And while passing financial reform, Congress did something else this week. In essence, they put a sign on the door of the government bank account saying, money.
Yeah.
The ATM is closed.
Yeah.
Tonight, tell us what happened, John.
Well, Diane, concern over the debt is so high that the new reality for Congress
Thank you.
is no new spending unless
Thank you. That's Grandma's phone. See?
So that's why, as you say, this week we saw Congress's ATM closed even for teachers. 2 weeks ago, the president said he needed $50 billion.
Yeah, talk on the phone. Yeah, he's doing the same thing I am.
The ATM is closed for any stimulus or job programs Democrats are pushing for, but they can't find a way to pay for it. And it's even closed for the long-term unemployed. This week, Congress failed to extend unemployment benefits. Again, Diane.
Thank you.
But we have been in deficit spending for
Hi, I got it on tape. He said thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Senator Ben Nelson voted with Republicans this week, and over a group of moderate Democrats who are also saying no new spending.
Can I have that? Can I have the phone?
changing on Capitol Hill this week. Thank you, John.
Can Grandma have the phone? Oops.
What you got, big boy? What's that on your face?
Thank you.
It's a boogie. Got it back.
Thank you.
Marines head into one of the
Thank you.
villages looking to make friends, but immediately
Say doggy. Where's the doggy? Where did the doggy go?
Who's that? Is that the doggy?
Where's the doggy? Well, all right. Gotta not worry about the picture there for a minute.
Oh, there's the poor damn doggy.
Say doggy. Can you make that? Say doggy. Say. Say doggy. Say doggy. Where's the doggy? Doggy. Yeah, doggy. No, you can't pull it. Let go. There we go. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Yeah? Thank you. Yeah? Thank you. Here. Can Grandma have the glasses? Thank you. Whoops. You've got to let go of them then, silly. Yeah? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where's Diane? Where's Diane? Where's Aunt Diane? Whoa, let's just get wild.
He just hit himself in the face with it. Yeah, you did.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. There's Grandma's phone. Oh, thank you. Oops. Turned off. Oh, well, that's probably not a bad thing.
Right in the mouth. Yeah, that's what it's good for, right? Right in the mouth. Where's your banky?
Uh-oh. No, no. Mm-mm. Go see Dusty. Pet the doggy. Get the doggy.
Oh, Dusty was calling her. I was, oh, damn, come on, Joy.
Tyler. Come here. Come here. Tyler. Come here. Yeah, doggy. That's a doggy.
Tyler.
Say hi, Dusty. Dusty, don't you think about it.
Yeah.
Good girl, Dusty.
Come here, Dust. Come.
No, she's not allowed up here.
Oh, she's not. Oops. Oops. Sorry, honey. I'm sorry. I know. Yeah, poor baby. See, make up your mind already. Yeah. See, doggy. Nice doggy. No, no, no. Don't pull.
Do nice.
Nice. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Like that. Nice doggy. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's a nice doggy. That little nose in that tongue. Oh, can't get a grip on that, can you? Oh, 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 oh. No, that hurt. That hurt the poor doggy. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, don't touch the doggy's nose and the doggy's snout. Yeah, you're pretty smart. You know nose and you went for nose, but not the doggy's nose. Yeah. Not the doggy's nose. Give the doggy something nice, huh? Oh, yeah.
I mean, I don't care, but you might.
You know it.
Prince, Paris, and Blanket, and the latest on the investigation into the way he died. Here now is 2020 co-anchor Elizabeth
Get down, Dusty.
In the years since Michael Jackson's death, the financial status of his estate has improved dramatically. The king of pop was broke when he was alive, more than $500 million in debt. And while the estate still owes $300 million, they are on track to pay it off. Last year, his record sold more than in the previous 8 years.
Hi. Hi. Come on. Yeah. Where are you going? Haha. What you doing? Hi. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Say mommy. Mommy. Yeah. No. 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 That's not going to work for you. But that's a Tyler gate. Yeah, I know. Should we go this way? What do you think? I'm going to go this way. Bye, Tyler. Bye. Bye. You want to come? Come on. What are you doing? Look at you. You're walking. Yes, you are. Come on. Yeah. No, that's dirty. I'm going to stop.